Here we have a Mercedes S-Class, and it's a 2015 model. And what we've done, we've fitted an integrated CarPlay system to this car. The car itself has its own entertainment system, so basically it has Bluetooth, radio, DAB, all of the usual sort of functionality, but what it doesn't have is CarPlay or Android Auto. So we've integrated a module into the system, so it works with the factory screen and controls, but gives you that added feature of CarPlay and Android Auto. So let me just show you how that works. So if you just basically jump into the car, well, as you can see, it's got the factory screen and controls. We haven't changed anything, but we've got the added CarPlay. Now the CarPlay is wireless, so Apple CarPlay and Android Auto is completely wireless. So what we have to do is push the return button on the Mercedes system, and then it'll flick into CarPlay, like what it has done now. So now I just need to go into Bluetooth settings, look for AI, which is what this kit is, and just get all the permissions up and connect it up. Give it a few moments. As you can see, it's now all come up. So now we've got complete CarPlay, and we're just using the Mercedes controls there to navigate around it. So you want to go into Waze, you've got Waze mapping, so you've got the latest mapping on there. If you've got Google Maps, go into Google Maps. That's what you've got there. Spotify, you can play your music, and you could also split the screen, so then you might have mapping one side and then sort of your music thing. The factory reverse camera still works, so if we just put it into reverse, it just flicks into the reverse camera, as you can see. If your car does not have reverse camera and you wanted reverse camera, this actual kit allows us to add a reverse camera to it, so that's always an option. So we can fit this system in a lot of cars, obviously not all cars, so basically just give us a call if you want the system fitted to your vehicle to see if it's compatible with it. This particular car is a Mercedes S-Class, a 2015 model, and we fitted an integrated CarPlay system to it.